Everyone is posting this viral Zoolander trend on Instagram, but almost no one is explaining how to actually make it. And the funny part? It looks complicated, but once you know the exact method, it takes only a few minutes. I tested multiple prompts, different AI tools, and a lot of failed generations until I figured out what actually works. So watch carefully and don't skip any step because one small mistake in the prompt or settings will completely break the result. Let's start. First, you need the original Zoolander meme video from the internet, or join my Telegram I will send you. After that, you have to separate it into two parts because it has two frames for different persons. Both I have shared both on Telegram so you don't have to edit. Next, go to any AI tool for this video. I am using Freepik, and guys, it's not a paid promotion. You can use any platform. In Freepik, go to the video generator. Here, you can see I already created so many videos to make a full tutorial for you, so like the video, buddy, and subscribe if new. Now, select your Zoolander first frame video and click on Use Video. After that, select the person's image you want to replace with this original video character, like I selected Joker image. Most important part, copy-paste this prompt from my Telegram channel, and don't forget to edit it like I'm doing. Just edit the name of the character and don't change the prompt at all, that's it. And select video resolution 1080p and video duration 5 seconds. Then the most important part, select Kling 3 Omni, this is very important, and hit generate. Now do the same for the second frame video. Go and select frame 2 in the video section as shown here. Then select your character image for this frame. I selected Batman image and copied and pasted this prompt, and edited it with your character name, and also very important, his clothes and look like for Batman wearing his black suit and mask. And select video resolution 1080p, duration 5 seconds, and select AI model Kling 3 Omni, and hit generate. Now our videos are ready, and look at this, we got awesome results. So download both videos and import it in any video editor. Here is the trick you have to apply. Add the original video and match the frame with the generated video. Cut that part and adjust it accordingly, as I am doing. Once both clips match perfectly, the transition looks seamless, and it feels like the characters were always part of the original video. Now, after editing, just export and upload anywhere you want. And that's it. This is exactly how creators are making these viral Zoolander edits with AI and getting massive views on Instagram and YouTube. So try it yourself, experiment with different characters, and see how crazy the results can get. And if this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more AI editing tricks and viral tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end.